Best pressure washer for car. In this video, we are going to explain the best pressure washer for car reviews. Product link provides on the description box. Number 1. Craftsman Electric Pressure Washer. 4.4 rating out of 5. Power source, corded electric. Product specification. Comes with low cost, compact and portable. Limited by cord length. Decent pressure for most jobs. Not most powerful pressure washer. Number 2. Rock and Rocker Powerful Electric Pressure Washer. 4.1 rating out of 5. Power source, electric. Product specification. Powerful cleaning. Comes with 4 nozzles. Appropriate less noise. Lightweight and easy to use. Safety lock prevent accident. Number 3. Sun Joe Electric High Pressure Washer. 4.5 rating out of 5. Power source, corded electric. Product specification. Compact yet powerful. Dual detergent tanks. Heavier than many rivals. Handle does not extend for transport. Not as powerful as gas pressure washers. Number 4. Stanley Portable Electric Pressure Washer. 4.3 rating out of 5. Power source, corded electric. Product specification. 25-foot high pressure hose. Extendable telescoping handle. 28-ounce quick connect foam cannon. Steel wand with brass quick connect. Professional M22 connect trigger gun. Number 5. Craftsman Electric Pressure Washer. 4.5 rating out of 5. Power source, corded electric. Product specification. Strong pressure. Built-in soap tank. Easy maneuverability. Limited by cord length. Bulkier than most electric pressure washers. Number 6. Karcher K5 Premium Electric Power Induction Pressure Washer. 4.1 rating out of 5. Power source, corded electric. Product specification. 2 included wands. Pressurized hose reel. Onboard detergent tank. Water-cooled induction motor. Comes equipped high-pressure hose. Number 7. Westinghouse Gas-Powered Pressure Washer. 4.6 rating out of 5. Power source, gas-powered. Product specification. Heavy-duty gas-powered. Easy to fill 1-gallon gas tank. Lightweight high-pressure spray gun. Deep cleaning pressure perfect for decks. 25-foot abrasion-resistant Superflex hose. Thanks for watching the video. Do subscribe, click the bell icon and share.